Here we go. Lux Basketball. Allen. Box 6. First box of the case has got the same style of box as Lux Football had. Cracks open just like that. There's your pack. By the way, I have seen some sick Kobe's. Sick Kobe's. Talk about a player you want to hit right now. Wow. So nasty. So nasty. Check this one out. Oh, hold on. Let me fix my focus. Wing. It's still on from the jersey break last night. There you go. Kyrie Irving. Red frame auto, 6 of 25. How beautiful is that card? And I'll inspect that once we finish the box. Next, oh my gosh, 25 of 25, Cameron Payne rookie patch autograph. I told you. I said, just trust me. Cameron Payne, rookie patch auto to 25. Next, Sam Decker to 99, rookie jumbo jersey. And, I like these die cuts, Danny Manning to 99 Lux jersey. It's got nice die cuts down the side. Allen, personal of Lux. There you have it, brother.